Almost everything in this video was made by a machine I built. The script, the voice, the visuals. I make practical software, and this little system turns one idea into a finished YouTube video, almost on its own. Let me show you how it works, what it actually costs, and the part it still can't do. Making videos is slow and expensive. The usual advice is buy a camera, learn to edit, spend hours on every video, or just pay someone who does. For a faceless channel, that math never made sense to me. So instead of getting better at editing, I got better at building. Here is the whole idea. A video is really just a few ingredients stacked together. A script, a voice reading it, some visuals timed to that voice, captions, and a final file. Every one of those steps can now be done by software. The trick isn't doing any single step, it's wiring them all together into one pipeline that runs start to finish. It works in a few steps. You give it a topic, it writes the script. An AI voice narrates that script. Then it listens back to the narration and builds the visuals, timed to the exact words. It adds captions that match the audio. And finally, it stitches it all into a finished video file. One command in, one video out, all on my own computer. Now the part everyone asks about. What does one video cost? Close to nothing. The free version uses a built-in voice and runs at $0. The nicer version uses a better AI voice, and that runs about a cent per short. Not a typo, a cent. The fancy ones with custom illustrations run a couple of dollars. Compared to a camera, an editor, or a monthly tool, it is basically free. But here's the honest part. The part those get-rich videos skip. The machine has no taste. It doesn't know which idea is worth making, or when a fact is wrong, or when a joke falls flat. You still pick the idea, you still check that it's true, and you still kill the stuff that doesn't work. It builds the boring first pass fast. The judgment is still mine. So if there is one thing to take from this, it is not use AI to get rich. It is this. You don't need a studio. You need to build the small boring system that does the repetitive part, so you can spend your time on the part that actually needs you. Start with one step. Automate the thing you do over and over, then connect the next one. I'll keep breaking down exactly how I built this, step by step, on this channel. If that's your kind of thing, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.